Installing a DIMM. Make sure that the DIMM ejector tabs on the connector are open. Holding the corners of the DIMM, insert it into the slot. Push the top edge of the DIMM down until the ejector tabs snap into place over the notches at both ends of the DIMM. Close the controller cover and fasten the thumb screw. Press the locking tabs and push the controller handles down to a horizontal position. Align the rear of the controller with the opening in the chassis, and then use the handles to gently push the controller halfway into the chassis. Connect the console cable to the console port on the controller and to the laptop so that the laptop will receive the console messages when the controller reboots. Firmly push the handles until the controller meets the midplane and is fully seated in the chassis. Pull the controller handles up and lock them in place with the tabs. Set the time and date on the controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure. Give back the impaired controller. Refer to the maintenance guide for the procedure.